What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video.
2017 Kia Optima SXL 2.0 Turbo. Look at this thing. Nice. We don't have one on the channel, so we gotta get it done. Factory converter there, resonator delete there, then it continues 2.5, then it branches out to 2-inch on each side, then we continued it with 2.25 out the back on this side, and on this side deleted the rear mufflers, and 2 carbon fiber Natami tips. Tommy? There'll be a link in the description below, right there and right there, as you guys can see. Get an absolutely beautiful, all the way from Florida, guys. We really appreciate him coming down. He just moved here, and we appreciate his service as always. He just moved to the base in Tennessee, so we really appreciate him coming down and getting it done with us. We hooked him up, and there is the 2 mufflers that were on it, right there and right there. There's the tips that are usually on it. I think the quads look better. Don't you guys agree? Let us know in the comments. And there's the huge resonator that was in the middle that we took off also. So muffler, resonator, delete. So fully straight pipe other than that cat in the middle. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and buy that merch. Kia Optima 2.0 Turbo SXL. Here we go. Straight pipe. What do you think? Yes! Wow. Imagine when you put that tune on it. Your sound decibels. Go ahead. 106. That's perfect. That's sexy. Natami tips. Yes. That's perfect. Beautiful. Kia Optima Turbo. You don't find a lot of these turbo like that. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Kia Optima 2.0 Turbo. Oh yeah. It sounds good. I like it.